Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to draw U-shaped arrow in MS Word. This is very simple, very easy. Let's get started. You need to click on the insert on the top menu bar and you will see that there is a shapes option here. You need to click on that and after that you will see that there is a block arrows. You need to click on that and drag to draw the U-shaped arrow. And after that you can make it bigger or small as well and change the color. But if you want to change the color, click on this option here on the top, and here you can see there are a lot of options available. Pick the color of your choice and you can drag to the make it bigger, and you can see that there is a orange dots. So you need to pick the orange dot and drag to the inside. You will see that the width of the arrow is decreasing, and similarly when you drag to the right side the width is increasing. It's up to you what kind of width you require. And moreover you can also pick this arrow and you can increase or decrease the pointer of the arrow. Further you can also give the shape of this arrow to the straight or curve, whatever your choice is. So in this way you can easily draw U-shaped arrow in MS Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.